Welcome to the world of maintenance and reliability teams, where we explore the unsung heroes keeping our spaces functional and safe. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to uncover the intricacies of something you might not think about often: parking lot maintenance. From the importance of regular upkeep to the superheroes who make it all happen, we've got a lot to cover. So, stick around and you'll learn some surprising facts about this often overlooked field. Parking lot maintenance is more than just sweeping and cleaning. It's about prolonging the life of the pavement and ensuring safety and visual appeal. In the US, 90% of all parking lots are made of asphalt, which is susceptible to weathering and damage over time. This damage can make it unsafe and visually unappealing. So, regular maintenance helps preserve property value and ensures everyone is safe while on the premises. So, what does parking lot maintenance involve? It's a combination of several methods. Firstly, sweeping and cleaning. This regular activity removes debris and reveals areas where repairs are needed. Secondly, sealing. Treating asphalt with sealant every couple of years preserves the resilience of pavement and prevents weathering. Thirdly, striping. The marks painted on the lot need to be repainted every so often to make sure they remain clear and visible. Next, crack filling. Potholes and cracks allow water or debris to penetrate the surface layer, causing further damage if they are not filled in. Then, there's asphalt overlay. Stripping the top layer off the pavement and replacing it with a new layer of asphalt helps extend the life of the pavement while giving a like-new appearance. Finally, repaving. Once a parking lot begins to crumble, repaving and reconstructing it is typically the only course. Ideally, this is only necessary once every few decades. Now, who are the superheroes behind parking lot maintenance? The duties of general maintenance technicians may include parking lot maintenance, cleaning, and snow removal. They may perform the work themselves, or they might work with outside contractors to complete needed maintenance and repairs. Companies that perform parking lot maintenance for commercial clients may employ a wide range of employees, including grading and paving crew members who operate heavy machinery and perform routine repair work, mechanics who keep paving equipment in good repair, and striping crews who measure and paint lines and signs on finished asphalt parking lots, keeping them clear and legible. Let's take an example. Imagine a plaza containing a few restaurants and a grocery store with a large parking lot containing 500 spaces. The total square footage of the lot is about 81,000 square feet. Over the winter, the ceiling on the asphalt is scraped off during snow removal. If the property owner fails to reseal the lot, major repairs will likely be needed later on. The pavement will crack faster than usual, eventually resulting in a need for resurfacing. On average, this costs about $1.60 per square foot for a 2-inch overlay. Given the square footage of the lot, the total cost to resurface it would be nearly $130,000. However, if they simply reseal the surface, the cost would be far less, 19 cents per square foot, or a little over $15,000 for the entire lot. By performing this preventive maintenance, the plaza delays the need for much more expensive repair work. A number of facilities rely on regular parking lot maintenance to keep their premises safe while improving curb appeal. These include grocery and department stores, commercial plazas, public buildings, libraries, DMVs, courthouses, factories, warehouses, and shipping facilities. If you're interested in this field, there are 2 notable certification programs in parking lot maintenance. The CAPP, or Certified Administrator of Public Parking Certification, is offered by the International Parking and Mobility Institute, an organization dedicated to the advancement of all professions involved in parking. The National Parking Association offers the Certified Parking Professional, or CPP program, which helps candidates prove their knowledge of several relevant areas, including maintenance, operations, design, safety, loss prevention, human resources, and equipment. In addition, various training courses are offered online. Many courses are provided by the International Parking and Mobility Institute on their website, including courses covering parking lot maintenance. For the latest news and resources in parking lot maintenance, check out Pavement Magazine by ForConstructionPros.com, Parking Magazine by the National Parking Association, and the International Parking and Mobility Institute's online resource center, which includes case studies, education, training, and numerous articles relevant to parking facilities. And that wraps up our video on parking lot maintenance. We've covered the importance of regular upkeep, the various methods involved in maintenance, and the superheroes who make it all happen. We've also looked at the cost benefits of preventive maintenance and the resources available for those interested in this field. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights into the world of maintenance and reliability. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you in our next video.